So in this video, I'll be showing you two CapCut hacks that you never knew. The first one is how to remove this particular watermark that always appears in front of your video. You know, these days or recently, CapCut introduced a watermark, not only the one that appears after your video, but this time the one that appears on top of your video or below your video, or it can be in other places, but you can choose the exact place you want it to appear, but it must surely be there. And now I noticed that they will give you a free option, like to use it 2 to 3 times before it disappears. And this particular one, I don't know when they give. I think it's after 3 days. I think they do this after 3 days because I've been editing for some time with CapCut and I always see that watermark. So I don't think they do it every day. You know, before they will give you like every day 3 times to use it before that particular watermark appears. But recently, I think they do it 3 to 4 days, and I discovered how to actually use that CapCut without the watermark. Trust me, you haven't heard this anywhere. I did that myself. I discovered that myself, and I'll be sharing it with you, and also how to remove the black watermark logo at the end of your video. So guys, without talking so much, let's dive into it. First, so to import a new project, let's start from importing your new project, then let's head straight to how to remove the CapCut watermark. Now, to import a new project and start working with CapCut, simply click on CapCut, select new project, and then add to CapCut. Once done, and you want to remove this particular logo that is always on top of your video, what you need to do is simply work on the particular video that you want. Whenever they give you that particular, once they give you a free time to use, right? Once they allow you to use CapCut, they always give you free feature to use for 2 days. They always give you free time. You use it for 2 times, I think, or maybe 3 before the CapCut will start appearing on top or below your videos. And after that, whatever video you edit for some time or for some days, you always have that particular watermark. Now, this is how to maneuver it. Once you import your video the first time, once they give you the free time, edit the video, work on the video. After working on it, click on export your video. Export the video and you have it without the watermark, right? Now, if you want to import your video any other time, all you need to do is to still do not go click on new project. If you want to edit any type of video that you want to edit, if you after filming, if you want to edit, do not click on new project. Do you know what to do? Click on the video that you edited before, the one you have exported. Once you click on it, then click on the video and delete it. The one that do not have watermark, right? The video that you just worked on. Click on it and delete it. Now, click on this plus sign right here. Import the particular video that you want to edit, the new video that you just made. Let me say this one, you import it. Then you start working on it. After working on it again, it won't have the watermark. It will not have the watermark because they're still using the free one they gave you. So this is what you keep doing. After doing it, you export it. When you are done exporting and you want to edit another video, still click on this one, delete it, and click on the plus sign to import another different video altogether, right? Click on this to import another video. So this is how you can edit more than 100 videos on CapCut without having to pay for subscription, without having to get the watermark below or on top of your videos. And do not ignore this. It's very important because that particular CapCut watermark can decrease your views. This is for people that always complain that they do not have much views. Please do not leave this particular watermark on your video. Make sure to use these steps so you can be able to remove it without having it, because once any particular platform, be it TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, dictates that particular watermark, it reduces your video reach, right? So do not leave it there, especially now that I have given you the easiest hack to maneuver it, right? And now let's head to the second hack, which is how to delete this CapCut logo right here. This one that always appears at the end of your video, this particular CapCut. To make it not to app, instead of deleting it every time, instead of always deleting it every time that you want to, every time after editing your videos, most times we forget to delete it. We forget to delete it after our video, and after exporting and uploading it, you discover that this thing is still here, or I forgot to delete it. So this is how to remove it this is how to delete it permanently without it appearing on your CapCut ever again. All you need to do is to click on this here, go to settings, go to default, add default ending. You are seeing it right here, right? Add default ending. All you need to do is to toggle it off and discard. Then go back and import a new project. With this right here, you will no longer see this ever again. There's nothing like this backdrop watermark again. You'll never see it. So I hope this video helps. Try this and let me know if it works for you. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, Success Amarachi channel, because I'll be dropping more editing tips and tricks. And not just that, I'll be sharing more valuable tips to help you grow on YouTube. Also like this video and comment if you find this information valuable, because I know that most of you often struggle with that particular watermark. Do not forget to like and let me know in the comment section if this actually works for you. And of course, I know it will work for you, so drop a comment, let me know if you tried it and if it actually worked. CapCut is actually a sweet app. You will always enjoy editing your videos with it. And the good thing is, whether you are a pro or a beginner, you can always use CapCut app. So subscribe to my channel so you'll be learning everything about CapCut, whether you are a beginner, a pro, or you are just starting out with your content creation journey. My name is Success Amarachi, and I'll be dropping more hacks, tricks, and how to edit your videos in this channel. So do well to subscribe to this channel for more video editing tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.